I bought the phone about a year ago. Can I mention the company?
I'd rather you didn't, please.
Yeah, okay. I bought the phone about a year ago. It's quite expensive phone.
Is this the phone you're talking on at the moment?
No, it's not. It's a different one.
Okay.
Okay. And for some reason, I haven't used it for almost a year. And 3 weeks ago, I started using it. The phone was overheating, and also it was having issue with the speaker as well. I've connected the company. It's a quite famous company. They said the phone is still under warranty. We're gonna come and get it, and we will see what we can do for you. They came and got the phone. They said the phone is repairable. We're gonna repair it, and we're gonna send it back to you. The phone is, I think, on the way to me now after the repair. But what I'm trying to say, as I started just for 1 week using it, and also I spent quite a lot of money on it. Can I just reject the repairs and ask them to replace the phone for me?
No, you can't, Rameen, I'm afraid. I'll tell you why. There's two reasons. The first reason is that when something is in the first month, you have an absolute right to reject or have it repaired at your option.
Yeah.
After that first month has expired, the the company you bought the phone from has a right to try to repair it at least once, which is what they're doing.
Okay.
So that's the first reason. The second reason is that you're out of time to reject. You normally get 6 months. It can be done after 6 months, but there are much, much trickier issues involved if you're trying to reject more than 6 months after buying something. So
but they clearly see the phone was used only for 1 week.
It's neither here nor there, I mean.
No.
Neither here nor there. Let's take that a step further. Let's say you sat on it for 10 years, not just 1 year. Do you think you'd have a right to your money back if they can repair it? You must accept there comes a point when you can't just change your mind.
Yeah.
I'm afraid you're past that point. So, no. Sorry, Rameen.